Hi, my name is Evangelos Efstathiou. I'm the founder and CEO of Burmester Vogel. We're a maritime supply chain visibility platform using AI to automate process for calculating delays of ships in port and helping streamline these processes to accelerate global trade, but also give insights so that they can make better trading decisions and improve their overall operations. And so when you put all of this together, suddenly we're not only enabling companies to perform better in their organization, but they're actually becoming better trading partners, and we're making more goods flow, we're reducing the cost of trade, and we're accelerating global trade. We have been making this evolution from being a primarily freight tech platform into a supply chain visibility platform. And I felt that the MassChallenge would not only force us to define and share the vision, then pair up with mentors who have commercialized technologies and can really help guide us in that process over the next 8 weeks. I've always felt a little bit of hesitation that, is my idea big enough? Is my story exciting enough? And I've never quite felt ready for a program like this. There's so many mentors, there's so many alumni. It's such a structured and professionalized and successful accelerator that I always felt that I'm not ready yet. No reason to wait. Anyone can sign up to be affiliated with the MassChallenge ecosystem, and that starts the journey right there. And already resources are available to you. And then this process here, it really just showed me how many resources are readily available and how many people are eager to help, because that's really what it's about. It's like, here we are, we're taking ideas, we're turning them into reality, we're creating jobs, and we're doing something really exciting that we think we've got a shot at changing the world.